Yeah. Is this a redo or is this?
Nope. Get him.
First do.
Leg.
Oh, who is this? I thought this was. I don't have my glasses on.
Leg. Just keep the leg on and you're fine.
Who is this, Sue?
Megan Scala.
Megan Scala. Okay.
Oh, bummer, Megan.
You can't expect me to coach where
3'3".
she's going. I just coach her how she's going. Sorry, that's all up to you guys. Nice.
He is so cute.
You know, the thing is she takes her leg out. When she starts to come in deep like that, she just takes her leg off. That's the problem. If she just kept her leg on, you'd be fine. That was good, though.
Good, Megan.
Yeah. Sorry I can't coach you on where you're going.